This tutorial is going to show you how to use the create link that your teacher has sent you to create your social animation. So you and your partner will have received this link either through Google Classroom, email, or maybe through Docs. However you receive it, all you have to do is click on it to load the software. Alright, now Silas is going to load, and when it's ready, Donnie's going to walk out, and you're going to hit the continue button. Okay, now the keyboard is going to be split into two sections, player 1 and player 2. Alright, so to select an avatar for player 1, you use A or D, and you press R when you're ready. So I'm going to be Silas. I'm going to hit R, and if you notice, when I speak, Silas' mouth isn't moving too much, so I can make that a little better by moving this lip sync up and down. Alright, so if I go all the way up here, his mouth is continuously moving. If I go right about here, it's really good. So every time I speak, Silas's mouth moves. Alright, and I'm going to hit ready because I like where that's at. And the second character, they have to hit Y. We can now select his mic to move, hit ready, and hit continue. Select the background that you'd like to go to. Hit create. It's going to give you a welcome message about how to create your animation. Hit continue. If you notice now, Silas can move around this virtual environment with using just the keyboard and the internal microphone or the microphones that you've been given. Okay? I can make him happy, angry, sad. He can cry. Okay? And the character 2, Avatar 2, can do the exact same thing. Okay? So when you're ready and you've practiced and you know what you're going to say, all you need to do is hit the record button. Hey Chris, do you mind coming with me to the park today? I have somebody that I'd like you to meet. Chris would say what he says. I'm touching his microphone. You can now walk him out. Hit stop when you're ready. Now you and your partner can watch the movie. Hey Chris, do you mind coming with me to the park? And if you guys like it, send it to the teacher. You can title it, save and close. And now what you can do is if you didn't like it, you can hit redo, you can grab a new background, or even get new avatars. It's that simple.